We are at Lakewoods Drive. This is a new construction, and this is a beautiful, super clear water lake. It's about 50 acres. It is a no-wake lake. There is no public access except for a little tiny path that most people don't know about, but there is somebody that lets you launch a boat on here. So you can have a pontoon. The owners actually do have a pontoon that they used. We got a brand new, really nice dock. You can actually leave the dock in. We'll head up. So the water clarity here is 18 to 20 feet. You can see down. It does have really good fishing because, again, there's no fishing pressure here. Great walleye, largemouth bass, panfish. So this is the view from the top of this landing. We got a beautiful landscaped wall here. Nice path that comes up. This is looking back. So you come in the lower level, and they have a nice rec room here. Tall ceilings. So the flooring is the same throughout. It's a really nice high grade vinyl plank. Nice for coming in, don't have to worry about any carpet. Really nice closet doors in all of the bedrooms. This is the only bedroom on this level, and you have really nice lockable closets. They had this set up as a vacation rental possibility, so all the closets have locks, just in case you want to keep things private for the vacation. So full bath on this walkout level, and there's a really nice storage area. This shows off the spray foam. Everything is really nice spray foamed, great R value. There is a backup Generac generator that is a smart generator. This has high-speed internet, Frontier, and the backup generator can be accessed via internet. Really nice, good-sized pressure tank, water softener. You got an on-demand hot water, never run out of hot water. Really good water quality here. So there are actually 4 zones, which is amazing. That's an upgrade here. There's a thermostat on every level that can also be controlled via internet. So from this level, you walk up. All the staircases have the really nice accent lighting on the stairs that goes up to the kitchen. So Highway B in Harrison is right here. You come down Lakewoods Drive. This is just a private road, and you come right into the lot. There's a room over here for parking or a future garage. Got a nice LP tank there. There's your drilled well. This is landscape. There's that Generac generator and AC unit. Nice covered porch, pine ceilings in here with nice lighting. There is a 4-bedroom septic. So this is a legal 4-bedroom home. And there's the steps that go down to the lake, and that's the patio. So you come in the front door. There are plenty of places to hang your jackets. There's nice outlets. All the outlets in here have the extra ports for cell phone devices. This was meant to be a nice big mudroom. Could put locker systems in here or just storage for snowmobile gear, that type of thing. You got a half bath with the full laundry in here. And this goes right into the master. So a nice big master bedroom. Love the barn door. This is your master bath. Nice glass doors. Does have the double shower heads. Nice little walk-in closet here for master closet. Lots of light. Everything is bright and light in here. And then we go into the kitchen. Huge breakfast bar here with plenty of room for seating. Got your modern cabinets. Nice appliances, dishwasher. There is a wine fridge here, and there is a great walk-in closet. Again, tons of outlets in this property. I don't think people realize how expensive outlets are, and this house has so many of them. It's amazing. They did not skimp at all on this. Nice, huge ceilings. Wall of window with a lake view. Got a massive dining room table. Some of the furnishings here could be included. This is a great screen porch. This has the I call them the leisure city windows. They can be pushed all the way up or all the way down, you know, so you're not blocking your view. And that walks out to a nice no maintenance deck. And there is electric heat out there if you wanted to use it in the wintertime or fall. So that is a real stone fireplace. And has to be extra support underneath here to hold that huge amount of weight. It's just a massive fireplace. It's wood. So you have that for the cold winter nights. Again, this is looking back. So it goes up to the second level. I'm just going to walk out onto this really nice deck. Again, this is no maintenance decking, no maintenance railing, vinyl siding. So really set up for not to have any maintenance on this property. And you got this amazing view. There are loons, eagles on this lake. It's such a quiet lake. It's very peaceful. You might have a pontoon that goes by, but that's about it, or a kayaker, fisherman. It's got really good fishing. So, but again, hardly any people. I think there's maybe only one year-round person on this lake, and the rest are seasonal people. So this is looking back right there. So looking down at the main living area, again, you have this gorgeous view. You come up the steps here, nice wood steps. There's a landing here. This was made to be like a work area if you work from home. Kids hanging out with their tablets there. You have two really large bedrooms here. This was set up to be an Airbnb. They did have stackable bunk beds. You could put the stackable bunk beds in here. And then you have light switches and outlets at each level. And that is on both sides there. So again, closet. This is the bathroom. Got the nice barn board style. Double sinks. And then this has the door going into you got the toilet and the shower separate, which is really nice. That way multiple people can be using the bathrooms. And then there's another bedroom exactly like the other one. Same system with the outlets and lights. These are lights actually up and down there. All the rooms have the nice ceiling fans. So you have some fans to push air around if you choose not to use the AC, but again, every level has the programmable thermostats that all can be controlled. So this is the front of the house, the front porch. Just wanted to show this area a little bit more.